Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Sons of the Forest on PC. First off, you need to open your Steam launcher. After opening the launcher, type Sons of the Forest in the search bar located at the top of the screen. You can get this game around $14. Click on Sons of the Forest. Click on Add to Cart, then View My Cart. Then continue to payment. You will be redirected to the checkout page. Select your preferred payment method. Fill up the necessary details, then click continue. Finish the transaction and proceed to payment. Wait for a while for the app to finish the transaction. Now, theoretically, after purchasing the game, go to your library. Click on Sons of the Forest. Click on Install. Browse to select a folder to use. Make sure that you have at least 25 gigabytes free in your storage. Then click Install. Wait for the download to finish. It may take a couple of minutes to hours depending on your internet speed. And there you go. That is how to download and install Sons of the Forest in your PC. Thank you for watching.